Hello everybody, this is Gabby. Today we're gonna take a look at something that is not exactly new, but I have it and it is in my heart. And this is iPad Pro from Apple, the best iPad ever whatsoever I have used. I haven't used many, but this one won my heart from the first hour that I used it. I love it so much. Let's see what's inside the box. There is nothing interesting, by the way, it's just the iPad and cable and Apple stickers. This is the 11-inch version with Wi-Fi. Ta-da! Here it is. It's so beautiful. I love it. Really, I'm so sad that I have to return it, guys. I really don't want to, because this iPad made my life so easy. I'm editing on it, I'm editing pictures on it, I'm playing with augmented reality and my anatomy atlas that I will show you just soon. I'm playing games on it, Call of Duty Mobile on Ultra HD, everything, even the water reflection is visible. You will see yourself. It opens with Face ID.
You're holding it upside down.
Okay. It opens with Face ID very fast. See? It already opened. The interface right now is iPad iOS 14, the new one that came out 1 or 2 weeks ago. The interface is typical iPad interface with a lot of corrections, of course. We have the new dock here. We have amazing multitasking features. How many pages I have opened, I don't even know. And some of them are even games. But the iPad still works flawless. I love, for example, when I'm editing video on Premiere Rush, I open my YouTube music at the same time by using the dock. I'll show you exactly how. First you need to put YouTube on the dock. Here you take it. We open Premiere Rush and from the dock we can drag YouTube and you can watch a video or listen to your favorite music while you're editing. The chipset behind the power of iPad is A12Z Bionic and the 8 graphic cores, 8. That makes iPad faster than any regular laptop that you can use these days. Premiere Rush has a free version that you can edit, you can put transition, you can put effects in a limited quantity, and if you want you can buy a monthly subscription. And you can move the YouTube tab, you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, anything you want. Look, you can even just keep it here. Editing photos has never been more fun with Lightroom, again from Adobe, because since you have the big screen of the iPad, you can edit with amazing precision. And my favorite thing on iPad Pro is the LiDAR sensor on the back. We see two cameras, wide angle and one ultra wide angle cameras with different technologies. It can film up to 4K, 60 frames video, and you can directly edit that video afterwards in the iPad and post it, because the artificial intelligence software makes the colors and everything look super realistic and amazing. This is the LiDAR sensor used by NASA on Mars, and now in iPad Pro. This sensor gives you amazing augmented reality. I will demonstrate you one very amazing thing. You can measure your carpet in the house and the measurement will be super accurate. It has a true face camera with this creamy portrait mode background. Guys, you can choose how much you want to blur the background. What is exactly the light behind you? So Apple software for portrait, we know, is the first one, and everybody copied Apple afterwards, we know that. Just look how much you can enhance your face and skin, and you can choose the highlights, the shadows. Basically, do you even need Lightroom when you can edit in the Apple software so good? Here is the f-stop, and look how much I can blur the background behind. Basically, nothing will be visible. You have other applications like Room Scan LiDAR that you can make yourself a house, and you can put a different furniture inside. And IKEA also has a application like this. And the most thing that I'm very sad that I can't show you guys the Apple Pen 2nd generation and the magic keyboard that actually turns this iPad into a proper laptop. I will show you a little bit Call of Duty Mobile, how smooth it looks. And my favorite thing, complete anatomy from Elsevier with augmented reality enhanced by iPad Pro. I want to redecorate my room, right? iPad will help me with this also. I just find the measure and I will measure how much space I need to put a new cupboard there. So accurate. iPad Pro is a thing that everybody, in my opinion, really needs. So many features. Faster than laptop, video editing. Why would you need a super expensive configurations when you just can get an iPad Pro and the 8 graphic chipset and the A12Z Bionic chipset can make everything for you. This is the space gray color with Wi-Fi, which is around $900 maybe. Right now, you can check link in the description. iPad Pro, wireless charging, fast charging, battery up to 10 hours, non-stop. It doesn't overheat even when you multitask on it very long time. I really love this iPad and I really hope I don't have to return it. Thank you very much guys for watching this review. Be sure to like and subscribe and be my friend in all social media.